Hello guys, this is my new year resolution for married couple. Please, if you know that you are married or if you know that you are in a serious relationship, yes, a serious relationship that will lead to marriage, yes, because most of you pick a date, yes, but listen to this update, yes. If you are a man, please listen. If you are a woman and you know that you are matured, you are irugo ihe eji nwoke eme, irugo ihe eji nwanyị eme, ịmarago ihe dị njọ, because most of us na pretend na ya ma ihe dị njọ. Please listen to this new year resolution. New year resolution, ihe anyị ga-ebu wee banye 2024. All those bad ones, please, let's just trash it. Ka anyị hapụ ibuye by 2024. The former post memorable general, yes, from family and friends, for well wishers, for content creators, yes, none in one gabo hanenecha video, they cannot like, they cannot share, they cannot even comment. Hey manya corner half for here, we blows, all of them will come. Let me not go further. Please, if you are a married couple, stop on this spot, okay? Let's discuss about this. Those things that you need to do, okay? Those things that you need to do in 2024 and the things that you need to trash. You need retrash. Trash, please. Okay? For betterment of your marriage. To spice up your marriage. To make your marriage more sweeter. For you not to like, you know, every little thing. These are the things you need to do. Yes. Number one, please, men, especially men, prioritize your family. Make sure that your family is as in that your family is happy before outsiders. Happen the outsiders, you know. Even if you have to mingle with outsiders, but let your family come first. Okay? Number two, try yanukunu na together. As long as that you are not living in a face me I slap you. I was once living in a face me I slap you, and yes, I dey baff with my husband. If I wait, if queue too much, I go wait. Even if I no baff every day with my husband, once in a while, maybe 2 or 3 times in a week, I will definitely baff with my husband. Yes, unu chere chande madu na but when everybody don sleep finish, okay? Now for my mates, for people where they my level, now they talk. I know they talk for people where know they my level. Unu cherecha when una don't look, say everybody don't sleep finish. Okay? Call your husband, honey. Let's go and take a bath. Yes. Number 3, give your husband, give your partner, give your wife knack. Ladi go to ofuma. Na ladi go to. In a ladi go to always. In a megodi e he will not be counting it. Or man nature. If he dey do am anything wey dey hurt him feelings, he no go dey remember. He go just dey collect money woto. If he collect today, he go forget say he don collect money today. He go still collect tomorrow. Why? Because you dey give a knack. Give a knack. Always change style. Missionary journey is not the end of it. And most of you guys are a missionary journey. Una just isi poronko. Nwoke memecha or obinie. And the one, please make sure na ị na-anyụ. Oburu na ndigula aga oburu na enyu ho si abebi na manyubeghị. Okay? Obu nso nyanwa ya na-eme the destiny enjoy. Obu nso nyanwa ya na-enweta the satisfaction. Oburu na ola gị ikpu na enyu ho si anna bịa mekwa ihe anụnwa na achọrọ m enyu na manyubeghị. Yes. Number 5 bụ gịnị? Once in a while, buy your husband, buy your wife a gift. Yes. Obonso nwoke na-egote gift. Why na-ego gift? Yes, I'm that na boxers and singlet. Nwere ihe ọzọ nwaanyị na-egote abụ. Yes, oburugodu no boxers and singlet. Make sure na ị na-egote once in a while. Ịnari ego ye, igote ye. Isave ego n'aka. Oburu 1000, buru 500 na anakọrị ya, you know. Feeding money, pocket money, you know, allowance, save until olu ego ihe eju ego teri a gift once in a while. Gift your husband. Nwaanyị ka nna agwa in particular, because some nwoke na-egote, but I na-ewe that no all men's responsibility na-ego gift enye nwaanyị asị ọcha. Ngodo ihe na-alụ. Yeah, ọ bụrụ na onwe ihe na-arụ, ị na-eri nri, ị na-eriju afọ, na-anapụta ya ego, na onye ga-ego nni, save some, gotere ya gift. Okay? Ọ bụ nso nwoke na-ego gift, nwaanyị na-ego gift, na-eme na ọ na-rekindle love, ọ na-eme love a na-atọ ụtọ, ọ na-eme relationship a na-atọ ụtọ, ọ na-eme marriage a na-atọ ụtọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị maghị ya, mara ya. The second one is always call each other. Biko ụmụ nwanyị, anyị nwa ka ọ na-aka njọ n'isi ome, I don't have credit, I don't have data, please only send me credit. Once in a while, in fact, not even what am I saying, once in a while, every day, make sure you call your husband every day at least once. Make sure in a day you called your husband at least once. Make sure you called your partner in a day at least once. Asikwana ofokwana no gini ya abata ya kekweni ye na akpọrọ ya mbọ ya kita ohi disturb ya okwa ka ya abata n'una okwa mo na ya bi n'una o ya abata. Yes, o ya abata, but anything can happen. Ịmaghị ihe nwere ike ime. O nwere ike na ọ bụrụ na digu na o nwere ihe mere, but because of na iwu onye na-akpọ o nwere ike ichekatazie until ọ batazinu mgbe ahụ dị late. So the earlier the better. Once in a while, call your husband. Baby, how far? Uno n'olu. So that onwe ihe ajụrụ, you can be able to give account of it. You see, na mgbe mkpọrọ ya na akpọrọ m ebe 1 and na onye nwazara phone, or na akpọrọ m ebe dị otu na onye nwazara phone, okay? Please, once in a while, call your husband. Always call your husband once a day, not once in a while. Pardon me, I don't know why I keep on saying once in a while. Don't wait until he comes back. The last but not the least, please, partners, always greet each other. I'm not saying man or woman, I'm not specific in this angle. Both of us should always try to greet each other, especially when you see each other on the road. If you're on the other side of the road, cross and hug your husband, kiss him. If you cannot kiss him or her, peck him on the forehead, peck him or her on the cheeks. Yes, it bundles the love. Oh, on a love and not toto. Peck ya, asina na we are having quarrel. Peck ya na, we are outside. You are outside. You are husband and wife, for crying out loud. Some people will say children are there. Yes, children are there. Children they there. They know say mommy and daddy are doing mommy and daddy's play. Yes, because ever from her hand he carry on your bona. If Hannah abia say let's do mommy and daddy. Let's do that mommy and daddy who we are run. Obona ha na-eme mommy and daddy. So all this one in a hide, do it so that can have that na this kind of thing may exist. Peck your husband, peck your wife in front of your children on the road anywhere, provided that that person is your spouse. Peck him or her. Mefia kene ya obu ha alu asina ụfọdụ n'ime unu ya bụ abatakwa ha na the first mbata ya abata na abịa with question. Before before go do the welcome or go do with question. Unu esikwe nni gini ka unu riri? Nni odikwa mmiri odikwa. Abutekwara pure water ta. Egotezkwara ihe a. Ke ihe mere wo, mommy, how are you? How is today? How did your day go? How did your day went, or whichever one? Mba. Biko unu kwụsịa na this 2023 chukwu akpọ unu ọkụ. No carry and go 2024. Anwakwa na anwa carry aya over. Because they carry aya over, thunder will go fire you. They do warm up. Oh yes, can be my fellow couples. Nti odekwa. Watch to the end. Share this video. Like, comment. Ko onye na anọghị ya anụ ya. Ọ nụrụ nụ ka ara nwanne ya.